My client in the military came to get his face waxed today. His position requires no facial hair, and he came in requesting the gold wax. He was like, why you don't ever use the pretty stuff on me? And I'm like, what you mean? So here we are. We're using Golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax. I am applying it a little thicker on the chin area because these hairs are thicker there. So yeah, we want to make sure that we don't cause any damage to the hairs, and that's why we want to make sure that the wax is applied correctly. Removing this lip strip, I already knew Golden Allure was going to do what it do. Because baby, look at that strip. Now my favorite of all time is getting like a carpet strip is what I call them. What does that mean? That means that when you actually turn the strip to the side, it gives carpet vibes. Like, let me show you. Y'all see that? Bam, right there. Love it. Do your cleanups, and don't forget this wax is still on sale. It's $10.75 basically for like a pound. And then you can save off 11 pounds if you order an additional 10% off. Just use this code right here, guys. Sexy Smooth Wax will get you right, okay? Now, a lot of you have been taught not to wax men's face. But let me tell you what, I would never use soft wax on a man's face, right? And if you think about it, women with PCOS, it's damn near the same similar type of hair. They're thick and coarse. So why would you not be able to do a man's face if you can do someone with PCOS? You just need to make sure you educate yourself when it comes down to techniques and just know what you're doing. And of course, make sure that the men follow through with aftercare. That's the hardest part because we know that men don't do anything, right? They say they're going to do it, but they don't do it. And that's where issues happen. So education and communication is very important. I'm using my Pretty Kitty and body oil that's going to help prevent bumps, breakouts, ingrowns, moisturize, soothe, all of that. And basically, he's all good to go. Looking good. See him again in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.